Hi, and welcome to another edition of Cooking for the Yum of It. Today I will be using the first recipe in a new cookbook I recently purchased through Amazon.com called The French Slow Cooker by Michelle Scicolone Smith. I don't know how to pronounce that name. It's S-C-I-C-O-L-O-N-E Smith. So I will be making a garlic soup, which sounds incredibly tasty to me. So let's get started. Here we have our main ingredients. The garlic, of course, followed by 2 bay leaves, some fresh sage, the orange zest I was talking about last night, and some fresh thyme. Here we have the 6 cups of water. So let's add our garlic, our thyme, our bay leaves, our sage, the lemon zest, the orange zest. Why do I keep saying lemon? I do not know. Now, I got a little bit, I don't know if that's just a lighter shade of orange or if I may have gotten some pith by mistake, but I did my best. So in we go with the orange zest. Hey, I got it right that time. And 2, let's get all that in there, 2 teaspoons of salt. Take our wooden spoon here, give everything a little bit of a stir. Plug in our slow cooker and set it to low for 6 hours. So we will manual, temp on low, start. I'll see you all in 6 hours. Okay, it's only been 3 hours now, but I just wanted to stir this a little bit. Oh, this smells so wonderfully garlicky and herby, and I just know it's going to be fantastic. Now, like I said, I got this recipe from a cookbook I bought online from Amazon. Let's see, take my handsome face. From the French slow cooker. Let's not tell France or they'll declare war. Now this and the other 2 that came with the set are the last cookbooks I plan to buy until I have done each and every recipe in all 3 books. Until then, no more cookbooks, I promise. Okay, it's now been 6 hours. Time to take the next step in making the garlic soup. After turning the slow cooker from low to keep warm, oh, watch out for that, we take out the crock part of the crock pot, and we strain it. We strain the soup through a sieve, taking out all the solid parts. Now this one I decided against using a slow cooker crock pot. Sometimes you just gotta say, to heck with it, and leave and do a little scrubbing when it comes time to do the cleanup. Now, make sure I'm in camera range. We mush and press down as much as we can. Oh, this smells just wonderful. Now we scrape off the bits of garlic that came through. Add a good little stir there. And I think that's going to be all we can push and scrape. So let's get ready for the next step. And the next step is to get 3 egg yolks, which I'm going to use my egg yolk separator. And each one, sometimes you've got to really, that would have made an excellent poached egg. The yolk, the white was nice and firm, but I'm not making a poached egg right now. And I'm not going to throw away the egg whites because I can use them tomorrow for some scrambled egg white for breakfast. Okay. Now let's skip ahead to the next part. The next part is to measure out 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. If you do not have extra virgin olive oil, then slutty olive oil will do. It's just a joke. You take the olive oil and we beat that into our 3 egg yolks. Oh, that looks, that doesn't really count as show those egg yolks and olive oil who the boss is. Now, we make sure we're in camera range as we mix that into the solution. Give this a little taste here and see if it needs anything extra. 1 second, please. Now, according to the cookbook, garlic soup is served over a piece of toast that you put in the bowl and then ladle in the soup. Oh, this smells just, I cannot wait to see what it tastes like. Now, let me see here. What I forgot to do, because it also says in the book, to put a little, you can garnish it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Well, it didn't say Parmesan cheese, but I didn't have the kind of cheese that was mentioned in the book, so I made do with the Parmesan. Now let's give this a taste. Mmm. Oh my God. Next time I make this, and I will, I'm going to add just a teaspoon of the salt, because it is a tiny bit salty, but it's really is very good. Totally delicious. I can really see myself making this again and again. It's really good soup. So anyway, that was garlic soup from the French slow cooker cookbook that I bought, and I hope you get a chance to make it yourself. And as always, eat and enjoy.